Okay, we're looking at question 4 of recurring decimals. So we got 0.23789. So, right, how would I write that formally? That would be 0.23789, and then it starts to repeat. So we put where the pattern starts and where the pattern ends. That's how you'd write it formally, but we don't need to do that. So x is equal to that number, 0.23789, 23789, 2, and it keeps going on and on and on. So, how many numbers before it repeats itself? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers before it repeats itself. So we'll need 5 zeros to get that in front. So what would have 5 zeros? Well, it's just a 1 with 5 zeros after it. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 100,000 times x. We'll move the decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll get 23789.23789, and so on and so on and so on. What do I always take away from this? I always take away x. So take x. So I've got 23789.23789, and so on. And I'm taking away x. And this is x up here. X is, take away, that's a terrible subtraction sign. Take away 0.237892, and so on. So I'm taking away, in essence, I'm just taking away everything after the decimal point. So I'll be left with, what's that? That's not 100,000. How did I end up with an extra 0 there? Apologies. I shouldn't have an extra 0 there. So it's 100,000 x. Take x. Leaves me with 99,000 x equals 23789. So we want to write x as a rational number. So 99,000 is multiplying x. When it comes over, it divides. So you put that into your calculator. You can simplify away then if you want, and when you simplify away, whatever that simplifies down to, do you know what? There's no harm in finding out what it simplifies down to. Where's my calculator? I've got 23789 divided by 99,123. Nope, it doesn't simplify, so that's perfect. Okay, so in this one here, I've got question 5. I've got 5.494 in the form a over b. So how are we going to do that? Well, so it's a considerably trickier version here. So what we've got is, what does that look like? Well, it's 5. Now, you notice there's not a dot over the 5. There's no dot over the 5, and that's at the start. Now, I know there's not a dot over the 9, but there's dots either side of it. But there's no dot over the number at the start, which means that number does not repeat. So this would be 5 point. Now, the pattern is, it starts with 4, then it goes 9, then it goes 4, then it repeats. So it's 494, 494, 494, forever and ever. Now this is where we have to be really careful. The repeating part of the pattern is 3 digits long, so we want to multiply by 1,000. But the problem we have here is that this 5 is not part of the repeating pattern. So we break it up. This could be written as 5 plus 0.494494494. You can do that in your calculator. I mean, if I do 5 plus 0.494494494 into my calculator and hit equals, I get 5.494494. So what I do is I'm going to leave this 5 alone for the moment, and I'm going to focus on this part here. So we see it's repeating every 3. So I'm going to let first of all, x equal 0.49494 and so on. I have 3 numbers that I want to move in front of the decimal place because it repeats every 3. So we multiply by something with 3 zeros, so we multiply by 1,000. So 1,000x equals 494.494,494, and so on. Now, what do? We always take away x from that. So 1,000x, take x. So 1,000x is 494.494,494, and so on. And we're taking away x. We're taking away x, which is 0.494 494, 494, and so on. Okay, so we're taking away, in essence, what's after the, well, not in essence, we're exactly taking away what's after the decimal point. So 1000x, take x is 999x, and that would be equal to 494. So x is equal to 494 over 999. Now that's enough to get you this, but we still have our 5, which needs to be added on. So finally, towards the end, we have to do 5 plus 494 over 999. So you can do that in your calculator if you want. 5 plus 494 over 999, and you get 5489 over 999. Hit your change button just to check. Yeah, and that's our recurring decimal that we started with. That's a tough one, guys. So practice that a couple of times, and if you have a question, get back on to me.